Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Halloween Labubu. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Halloween Labubu, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a little curved line like this. I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another little curved line. Next, I'm going to make a big oval shape like this, and then we'll make another big oval shape right here for the eyes. Then I'm going to make a large, full oval shape inside of each one. I'm going to put a circle at the top of each one, and then a smaller circle underneath. And then I'm just going to color in right around the eyes here. So we're just going to color right around here. Let's make a little line across for the top of the nose. Then a V shape that just goes down and up. Now for the mouth, I'm just going to make a nice big smiley face that just goes from one side to the next. And then we're just going to fill it with sharp pointed teeth. So we're just going to make these sharp pointed teeth all the way around here. Now let's kind of make a circle or oval shape right around here. So I'm just going to make this oval shape kind of right around the head of our Halloween Labubu. And we're going to bring it to the top. Next, let's make some little bumps that are just going to come right around one side of our Halloween Labubu. And then we'll do the same thing on the other. We're just going to make these little bumps just so it kind of looks like it's furry and adds a little bit of texture, and we'll connect it there. Next, for the ears, let's draw a line that's just going to come up and then down. And I'll make another one that's just going to kind of come up and down. We'll make a line right around the inside. And then we'll make a small bump inside of here. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's just going to curve down to about here. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to draw a line that's going to kind of go out and in and curve to there. Now let's make the feet. Let's draw a line that's going to come up, and we're going to put 1, 2, and then 3 toes on it. And we'll do that same thing here. Bring this line up. We're going to put 1, 2, and then 3 toes on it. Then we're just going to curve this line up to here. So we're just going to kind of connect those lines for the feet. I'm going to put kind of like a bumpy little line here and then a bumpy little line here just to kind of show some fur. We'll make a line across for the bottom of our pumpkin. Then we'll make a little line here and a little line here on the foot. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come out with some points, and then same thing here, kind of come out with some points. Make a zigzag line down, and then we'll bring this line back. Zigzag line down, and we'll bring this line back. We'll go up and down for the thumb, up and down for the thumb. And we'll make some little points for some fingers. Same thing on this side, just 3 little points for some fingers. And I like to draw this little line across just to kind of show where the fingers are. Next, let's draw a little face on our little pumpkin here. So I'm going to begin by making a triangle shape like this. And then I'm going to make another triangle shape over here. I'm going to do an upside down triangle for the nose, kind of like the Labubu. Then for the mouth, let's make a nice big smile. And then we're going to make all these little triangles right around here, so it kind of looks like the Labubu mouth. Then finally, I'm just going to make a line up here, and then a line that curves up here to make it look like a pumpkin. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Halloween Labubu. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.